I'm gonna show you what I have. I have this little tin, and the little emblem is not, I put a hole in it. The little emblem is not bad. It's pretty, but I don't want it to be seen like this. We're gonna give this little tin some legs, and we're going to give it a topper. And in doing that, I'm gonna use Totally Dazzled to actually dazzle up this tin. B7000. This is going to be what gives us the permanent adhesive. Do I want to put my legs on first and then stain them? Yes, I do, because I want these to set up while we're doing the rest of our project. So I'm going to get a good amount of glue on this, and then I'm going to put some hot glue around the edge, and we're going to go in like so. Okay. So that makes a little stand like this. And it's so cute. Okay, we're gonna set this right back here. I took a nail and I took it out in the garage and I just hammered and hammered until I had a hole. I didn't really care how great the hole was. So I put a hole right in the center, okay? That is going to allow my piece to go down in the center. Now that is pretty long. I don't like how long that is. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use one of these little wooden wheel things. We are gonna stain this real quick. I should have done this first, but we're just gonna use some Waverly antique wax. I've got a little bit of this wax on top of this, and I am just going to, let's see. Get your fingers dirty, Kris. It's okay. So there is our little piece. We're going to set this over here. Okay, so let me show you. Here is my idea. This is the piece of bling that I have. I love this bling, y'all. If I can get this center out of here, it's going to be like an ornate medallion with a hole in the middle that our knob can stick out of. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the brooch part, the pin. Okay, so I removed the pin. Okay, now, can you see where there's little spines, okay? I am going to just delicately go in here and twist on these little spines. Okay, can you see where I twisted that one off? They're going to, I think if I do this very gently, I think I'm going to be able to do this. Y'all, you guys, look at this. It could not be more perfect than to fit right in that circle. Okay. So we're going to take our B7000. Okay, this is working. Go right like that. Look at this, you guys. Look, I mean, we could not have planned that any better. Okay. Let's set this to the side and let this dry for a minute. Now, we're going to use the antique wax, and we're going to do the same thing to these legs that we did to that little wheel, that little wooden wheel. Then we'll grab some of this and put it on around here. Okay. There we go. Here's our little legs. It's so sweet. Now, okay, this is pretty set up. Okay, so this will be like that. But it was easy, you guys. Look at how beautiful that piece is. You guys, look at this. Look at our cute little tin. There you go. Totally Dazzled. Knocks it out of the park again because it just lifted this up a level.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.